People on the coast have been watching the little temperature number drop.
Yes. Yeah.
It's not cold out, but that number has dropped more than people inland.
It cuts both ways, right? So like if you don't like snow, which a lot of people who live right on the water don't really care for it that much, it helps you in the winter. That onshore flow helps you in the winter. It keeps you warmer. This time of the year, it comes back.
Little delayed turn in the season.
So it's going the other way. So it's being maybe a bit of a detriment in a few spots. But either way, guys, beautiful day. Look at Portland, 65. And I want to explain the nuance, too, of the onshore flow direction where you've got it out of the southwest, just a little southerly component. So see how it's not hitting Portsmouth, obviously coastal, Kittery either, but it's just cutting in to parts of northern York County and Cumberland County, and so where temperatures are 60s there, meanwhile upper 70s, low 80s still hanging on inland, and that same wind direction pulls all the way up and makes Bangor kind of coastal right now. So that's the wind direction thing that happens this time of the year, not just the sea breeze, but the wind fetch off the water, which is in the mid-40s still this time of the year. So the wind's coming in there. You can see those wind barbs showing what I just told you, which is the wind is not really south, but a little bit southwesterly, 25, 30 miles an hour. A lot of sun, so that makes it a nice day, even if it is only in the mid and upper 60s at this point. Next system moving in is a cold front. It's got some showers and thunderstorms out towards Quebec. Some severe weather. We're not going to have to deal with that part of it, but we could see a rumble of thunder tonight. I'd say between 8 and 10 it's possible in the mountains and western Maine. The rest of us just see a chance for a shower. This is midnight tonight. Note, temperature is quite mild, and this will be one of those tricky ones where our official high temperature tomorrow may be just after midnight tonight. So we'll be in the low to mid 60s. Watch temperatures then fall down into the 50s by tomorrow morning. And then we get a lot of sun going by the middle of the morning into the afternoon. But notice temperatures don't really increase that much. We're only around 60 degrees in the afternoon. So our high temperature is probably quite early. Nice day, breezy though, and a little bit cooler. And then Thursday is a mixture of sun and clouds. Temperatures there are in the 50s to around 60 degrees. So not particularly warm the next 2 days, but I think overall they play really nicely. So some showers come back into the forecast on Friday. That's not a washout, but showers in the morning, and then again probably in the afternoon after a middle of the day break, and that's part of a warm front. And then we head into the weekend. And the weekend forecast is difficult in the sense that the European model holds the rain off until Saturday night. So we get almost the whole day on Saturday. The GFS American model will do no such thing. It brings that low right through on Saturday and gives us a pretty showery day. So right now, we're leaning towards the European model that we at least start the day dry and end up with rain in the afternoon, but we'll have to keep an eye on these two solutions because often I'll see something in the models and say, well, that one is right and that one doesn't make any sense. This isn't really that situation. It's a nuance, and I don't sometimes, guys, I have to say to myself, if I don't see this pattern and I haven't seen it before, I'm not going to just eyeball it better than an advanced thermodynamics and physics model. So this is when we'll have to run it and see what happens tonight, and then we'll kind of reconvene on this. But at this point, we do think we're going to clear out for Sunday. So either way, we're ahead of the last 3 out of 4 weekends by getting one weekend day in. We'll see if we can get lucky and get most of Saturday in too. That obviously would be pleasant if we could.
I thought you had advanced thermodynamics and physics models right there.
It's all kinds of stuff in my head,
there.
but that's way in the back somewhere.
Okay, tucked away, dusty, off the shelves. All right, Keith, thank you.